Tell me what you like about your home. I like different kind of things about my home. At first I want to talk about its ambience. It is so much attractive from inside and with a goldish interior design. Everyone likes it and it is fully furnished, carpeted and even it has a good ventilation system. If I talk about more, my home also have a garden in which we have planted different kind of flowers. What improvements would you like to make to your home? Well, if I talk about the improvements, at first I want to talk about to add a swimming pool in the backside of the building, and after that I also want a parking. I am planning to do this in next few months. How important is it to have your own bedroom? It is perfect to have our own bedroom because it gives us privacy. No one is able to disturb us there. We can easily study, sleep, nap, and also we can talk with our friends. How does the color of a room affect you? The color of a room affects me in different ways. For example, I think that if the color is dull and dark, it will make a sense of sleepy mood and a kind of depression, having some kind of negativity within that. But if the room is bright and having white lights, white walls, then I think it's the best room and it will create positivity within that and it will also fresh our mind and it will not make us lazy. Our next topic is feelings. What makes you angry? Well, at first I want to talk about unethical things like if someone is listening the music so much loud and he's disturbing me, then maybe I will feel a little bit of anger and I will try to stop him. And if someone is talking impolitely with some other, if someone is not doing good acts of kindness or he is beating someone, that things make me angry. I don't want to disturb people and I can't see that. Can money buy happiness? Of course money can buy happiness. Let me give an example. If a person has money, he can take care of his family in many ways, like in terms of giving proper study, proper shelter, food, and also a means of transport. These all things tends towards the happiness. The best thing about money is that with the help of money, you can help others. What makes you happy? These are different kind of things that make me happy in different circumstances. Like if I help someone, it automatically gives me some kind of happiness in my inner soul. And if I am alone, I can listen to music. It can also make me happy and relax. If I meet some of my friends in some specific time, then this is also very good for me. Our next topic is animals. What is the most attractive animal in your opinion? In my opinion, the most attractive animal in the world is a dog because a dog is a loyal friend of a man and he is so much loyal to humans in terms he can play with us and he can also give protection to us. Interesting about dogs is that it has been noticed that dogs can protect our livestock very easily from the wild animals. How much contact do you have with animals in your daily life? I play with my pet dog at my home when I have some time and I spend time with it is so much loyal to me and it makes me feel happy to spend time with my pet. Can you tell me something about the wildlife in your country? There are different kind of animals in my country, different places. The best shocking news for me, and it was so much surprising for me when I knew it for the first time, was that we also have white tigers in the northern areas of Pakistan, and there are different kind of birds and also different kinds of wild animals and more than 100 species of snakes. Is it important to protect all animal species? Of course, it is important to protect all animal species because everyone has a life, so we should take care of the living things, and life is so much important for all of these things, same like the humans. So that's why we should take care of the animals. We should also try to provide food and water to the animals as much as we can. Our next topic is family. Is there somebody in your extended family you are really close to? Here I want to mention a cousin of mine. His name is Ahmed. He is so much close to me and I like him so much. The best thing about him is that he is a punctual person, a very loyal friend, and he can keep the secrets of mine every time when I share my feelings to him, and he also do so. Do you find it easier to talk about important decisions with friends or family? In terms of important decisions, the family comes at first. We should talk with our elder brothers about our life decisions and different kind of things in our daily life and different kind of business ideas, so we all are connected to each other. So that's why family can give us more effective ideas in terms of that what are the benefits of being brought up in a large family. There are so much benefits of that. At first I want to mention that unity is strength. So in a large families we will feel more safe as compared to living alone. Also, we can support each other in our hard times, and having a large family can also make the success rate more as compared to struggling alone. How would you like to help your family? I would like to help my family in different kind of ways. For example, if the if the young generation like my nephews and my nieces want to study, they want to go abroad, I will help them and I can help them easily. Yes, I would like to help my family in different kind of ways. I want to make a new home in the upcoming years. We also want to have some of our family members towards abroad, so I can help them in terms of paying the dues within that and participating in that financially. Everyone should love his family and obey the rules of that family and give respect to them. Our next topic is transport. Is having own means of transport important to you? Yes, having our own means of transport is so much essential for me because in that case we can save our time. We don't have to ask anyone to take the bike or take the car. So whenever we want to go anywhere, we don't need to ask anyone. We can start our journey. Also should take care of our transport, and sometimes we should provide it to others when they need, especially the neighbors. Which form of transport do you like least? Well, I would say that I don't like the crowded buses because they are often noisy and uncomfortable, and they are so much loud and create the environmental pollution all the time. So that's why I don't like them. They should be manufactured in a way and they should be upgraded that their engine should not make so much noise. Tell me about the longest journey you have ever made. Well, I have made a lot of journeys, but I would like to mention the journey of last month. I went to the northern areas of Pakistan with my cousins, and that was so much long journey, approximately for 10 to 11 hours. Approximately for 10 to 11 hours, we traveled on bikes, and I was so much tired within that. I enjoyed so much, but apart from that, I was so much tired, and I don't want to go there. In the future, what different forms of transport do you think there will be? Well, I think there may be self-driving cars, of course, and after that, electric bikes and scooters. Maybe there will be some kind of flying taxis or drones in the upcoming years because the science is working upon that. I think that's so much interesting for us.